Hello again, Pietro here. So we're trying the whole autofocus thing through Samsung. Hopefully it works. Got my running vest on, don't need my glasses, but I do need my iPhone because the Withing Scan watch uses GPS assist. Got my headphones. Be running with the Apple Watch today, the Withing Scan watch, the Fitbit Charge 4. I'll also be running in my sock with the Polar Grid X, which I'm testing again. Can't forget the Galaxy Watch 4. And got the Oura Ring 2.0, the Oura Ring 3.0. And I'll be wearing the Polar H10 heart rate around my chest, and that'll be connected, matching orange, to the Phoenix, what's it called? The Garmin Fenix 6X Pro Solar. Luckily the label's on the back. Yeah, that's it. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the phone, and then 11 headphones. Yeah, that's enough gadgets. See you in a bit. Oh yeah, this is day 2 with the Oura Ring 3.0 or Oura Gen 3, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching. Be back in several miles. Hello. So cool echo because I'm in the tunnel. I have nicknamed this the Harry Potter tunnel. Running with all my gadgets, and it was time to check the heart rate. Took off my gloves. All right, let's take a look at my heart. So we have the Polar strap connected to the Garmin watch, 119 and falling. And then we have Withings. So by default it shows duration, and then you can just scroll through. It's saying 107. We have Fitbit, 106, 106. What else do we have? We have the Casio G-Shock, 126, really high. We have Apple. Apple is telling me 92 now. Okay, so now let's check the Oura Ring. Now keep in mind the Oura Ring is on my left finger right there. So I should be able to click, yeah, 110, 20 minutes ago. Measuring heart rate, hold still. I was kind of hoping it would just tell me. Come on. I guess I should stand still as well. 62. Oh, that's not right. That is not right at all. 52. No, there's, okay, 84, 92, 94. All right, that sounds better. And then we'll look at that compared to Polar. So on the left is the Polar chest strap, and on the right is the Oura app connected to that ring behind the watch. Huh, so far so good. Let's go run. Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So the video that went live this morning, the pre-run list of 11 gadgets, I sent that out by accident because that was going to be part of this video. Anyway, yesterday was a confusing day. I had a dear friend in the hospital, so yeah. Anyway, life happens, doesn't it? Went for a walk, and several of the gadgets automatically detected the workout, and one of them was supposed to be the Oura Ring. So let's take off
these noisy jackets. Oh, where'd my phone go? And
when paired with a smartphone, the Oura Ring 3 should be able to capture those. I just did a simple walk. I verified it because Apple automatically detected it. I don't know about the others, so let's take a quick look. Step 1, open that Oura app. Yay! And it worked. So what I did to facilitate this is, oh wait, thought we lost it again, because that's what happened the other day. Walking 8:48, confirm. Awesome. see details. So it has a cool map, has the intensity, very nice. It uses Apple Maps, which is fine. Distance, 1 mile. Active calorie burn, duration. So if we go to heart rate, yeah, it did not combine the heart rate in the walking activity. That is really strange. Whereas Apple did. So we'll end that outdoor walk. I don't know if it says that it automatically did it or not. Just says outdoor walk. Let's see what happened with the Oura Ring 2. So now it's synchronizing today. Whoop, nope. App update available. Yeah, it just has the activity. So I'm at 2,821. And on the version 3, the newer one, wow, 3,472. Quite the difference. So again, 3.0, 2.0, 3, 2. Interesting. Withings, well, we won't worry about that for this video. But it detected it, so that's good. Yesterday, it was conflicting. So what I had to do is I went into settings. So right here, you scroll down into settings, data sharing, Apple Health, and I unchecked import workouts from Health. Because what will happen is if you're wearing your Apple Watch and your Oura Ring 3, this workout will cancel that workout. And maybe that's what you want. It just depends on your perspective. So that was the bug that I was talking about earlier where, maybe not a bug, but kind of confusing. If you connect Apple Health to your Oura account or you connect Google Fitness to your Oura account, I think the camera's crooked, hang on. That's a little better. Then the workouts will conflict and it uses Google Fitness or Apple Health and that overwrites whatever Oura detects, which they need to make a little checkbox, Oura. Oura, if you're watching, hello, make a little checkbox. Which one do you want the primary to be? Do you want Oura to be the primary or Apple Watch? Do you want your Oura Ring 2 to be the primary or your Android Watch? You should be able to prioritize that. Sleeping with the rings yesterday was great. Let's review those stats. Okay, so 3.0 again, 2.0. We got a sleep score of 88, identical. Time in bed, 9 hours and 20 minutes. Oh, I'm at activity, sorry. Okay, a little different. 92 sleep on the 3, 88 on the 2. Time in bed, 9 hours and 20, 8 hours and 15 minutes, 8 hours and 1. Sleep efficiency slightly lower on the old tech. So normally this one's been higher, the 2.0, but now, yeah, it's kind of up and down here. REM, you can see very close. Deep sleep, an extra 20 minutes with the new technology. Latency, 3 minutes. This one marked it red, this one did not. Then we have the graphs, really close. 17 HRV, 18. Why the gaps? Okay, let's check readiness score for today. 77 versus 87. That's really different. I mean, 5 points here or there. And then if we go to the home, you've recovered well. E equals MC squared. Congrats on the great night's sleep. You should be ready for sharp. So, but I mean, both really high scores. And then heart rate's the same, activity a little off, and then of course I have the daily. And then also, which is new, which if you didn't watch yesterday's video, we have the restorative time and you have your daytime heart rate, where this does not really have that, but they both have the readiness score and you have the explore tab for meditations and breathing exercises, where the 2.0 you can manually select take a moment and you have similar activities. Well, let's take a look at the sleep from the night before. So here's yesterday's sleep, which we did not review yet. We'll start at the top, 75, 76, really close. 6 hours and 11 minutes versus 5 hours and 35, a little off there, but total sleep time about the same. Efficiency, higher again on the new one, kind of up and down again. Really close though, give or take a few minutes here and there. Somehow I got lower latency with the Oura Ring 3. Yeah, this is going to take some more data analysis. And there are the graphs. Latency, let's just look at the sleep graph for a second. Side by side. Close, really close. This one has me waking up a lot earlier, which is more accurate. I did not sleep until 5 the other morning. I did wake up at 4:30. And then the average HRV way higher on the 2.0 for some reason. My point here is that I wanted to somewhat prove that Oura is accurate in tracking sleep. And my theory is that, well, if I wear two nearly identical devices, and yeah, I think the study would be far more accurate if I could get my hands on two 3.0 versions instead of using 3.0 or 2.0, but I wanted to demonstrate in the video the differences between the two devices and also show what's new and help you determine whether or not you should upgrade. So right now you have the daily HR, which is really nice. You have some new features. The auto detect is somewhat helpful. Disappointed that the heart rate wasn't there because... All right, it's been a fun day with the Oura Rings. We are still on day 5, so it's Friday, even though I'm wearing different clothes. So a couple rules to recording. Rule number 1, always make sure you have enough space before you begin a video. If you read the text there, I was filming on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, this funky thing, and it cuts when you get below a gig. I think I had 400 meg left. Anyway, I now have 40 gig free. I cleaned up a bunch of stuff, but I'm now filming on the iPhone 12 mini. Rule number 2, put your phone into airplane mode. So rule number 3, make sure your audio is connected and take off your dog chain. I apologize. There were several moments in that video where you heard this noise. I remember years ago I was on a webinar, quite an important webinar for work, and my old coworker Vicky chimed in after, and she's like, "Do you have a dog?" I'm like, "What do you mean?" I swear there was a dog in the room during the webinar. I kept on hearing this noise, and she thought it was a dog, and it was my necklace. Anyway, so I apologize, Vicky, that I forgot that cardinal rule. So let's review those again. Make sure you have enough space. Make sure you have good audio. Make sure you have good lighting. Make sure the mic is connected. Make sure you take off noisy jewelry and noisy jackets, which I'm gonna take that off because every time you move, yeah. I heard from another friend, Richard, that audio engineers, like folio artists, will often wear like sweatpants so they don't make any noises. Anyway, fun stuff. So back to the Oura Rings. Good day with the Oura Rings. Let's take a look at the summary of data, and really close on the steps again, really close. The all-day heart rate, again, really liking it. I can't wait for more data. I searched again and I cannot find the heart rate combined with the workout, which is a huge conundrum for Oura because one of the main pitches is, all-day heart rate and automatic workouts. And the emphasis on this new Gen 3 is the heart rate. So why isn't there heart rate with the workout? No, it could be because that's coming. And I don't know if I said this in other videos, but it's really hard for a customer, a consumer, to buy something based on promises. Because just because they say they're going to do it in a certain timeline, we might not have these features until late 2022. So it might be a whole nother year until we get blood oxygen and the full workout data. But you know what? That's what an Apple Watch is for, or a Garmin watch is for. A lot of people that I've met, they get the Oura ring for tracking their sleep, and then they take it off. So it's nice that at least now you have an incentive to wear it all day. But you know what? If you really want serious workout data, I recommend going for something like the Phoenix. If you don't want to spend that much money, you can pick up one of these bad boys, the Garmin Instinct Solar. 200 U's, brand new, 350. Really detailed workouts. They also have the Vivo Active series, the Vivo Active 4, or by use Vivo Active 3. And then I know it's completely opposite of the Oura ring, but I'll just do a pitch for the Apple Watch. You can get the Apple Watch SE on sale through Costco. Another, I think it's $250. For $250, it's amazing stats, and it's really fun. The Oura ring's fun too, but as far as working out, yeah. Really, my main gripe with the Apple Watch is one, the cost, and two, the battery life. Okay, let's dive into some more stats on my Remarkable 2, the most expensive piece of electronic paper that you're ever going to buy.